you can never predict when a flat tire will happen. Getting back on the road just got faster, easier, and safer. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit is a simple 4-step process that repairs your tire to full inflation. To begin, lay the flat tire repair kit on the ground facing up. Step 1. Select Air Plus Sealant. Step 2. Remove your tire's valve cap. And then screw the hose onto the valve stem. Step 3. Simply plug in the inflator into a 12-volt accessory power outlet. Make sure your vehicle is not running while the inflator is operating. To do so, your car may need to be in the accessory or on position. Also, make sure your emergency brake is set and your car is in park. Step 4. Push the green button to turn the system on and fill to your vehicle's recommended tire pressure. You can find your vehicle's recommended pressure by looking on the inside of the driver's side door jamb. At this time, the kit releases sealant that seeks out and seals punctures of up to 1/4 of an inch while simultaneously airing your tire to full inflation. Once the correct tire pressure has been achieved, disconnect the system. At your earliest opportunity, take your vehicle to a tire repair facility for a permanent professional repair and inform the tire repair specialist that slime sealant is in the tire. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit will get you back on the road in 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you pick up a replacement sealant cartridge at your favorite retailer because you can never predict when a flat tire will happen. Don't get stuck with a flat.